They've been there. They know what it's like being in a serious accident. This next segment has been sponsored by Holland Injury Law, and at Holland, their main mission is to help people. Step inside to see how they do that and so much more.
Well, my dad's a lawyer for a long time in St. Louis. My great-grandfather came from Ireland and was a lawyer in St. Louis. And since kindergarten, I wanted to become a lawyer, and I did. I love being an injury lawyer because I could help people out, get to go to court, do depositions, trials, mediations, and help people from all walks of life. We have a great culture here. Great folks, they work hard, they handle their own situations. We don't micromanage anybody here. I was my own 2 pretty bad accidents during the pandemic, so I can really relate to my clients now, what they've been through with the cars and the injuries and the treatment and everything else. So I really can relate to what they've been going through, and it's not fun. So we do the best job we can to get everyone the best recovery possible. We don't always meet them right away. So that's the hardest part about the pandemic and how we changed the way we do business. So we hope to meet more clients in the future, have more people come into our nice office in Clayton, or where Kettle Grill is, and to see us and help them out as best we can.
When people call here, a lot of them are in stress, and sometimes I need to be the calming person. We also develop relationships with a lot of the clients from our office. It's really nice because we really get to know them, and we want to make sure that they're happy and that the end result is exactly what they want. One of the biggest things I noticed when I came here is that we're a family. I love the girls and who I work for. And Bill is an amazing, amazing lawyer.
So I take care of basically informing all of our new clients about the process, getting them signed up, making sure that they're comfortable with the representation that we can provide to them here, introducing them to, our team. When you find out that an accident that wasn't your fault could have been covered by the person who was at fault, you could have went through your treatment without having to worry about all of that and not having to talk to the insurance company and have them, yell at you and be mean. It helps ease your mind. We enjoy each other's company. Everybody works hard here, and the best part is that we're actually helping people.
Part of my job is handling my own caseload, and then the other part is just making sure that the claims paralegals have all that they need to do their job for their own particular files. A lot of things in the beginning are very time sensitive, so if we need to get video, a lot of businesses keep videos 1, maybe 2 weeks at the most. So if we're looking at a particular intersection, we need to be able to be aware of that right away versus later on down the line. Some of the things that sets Holland Injury Law apart is Bill Holland, of course. So Bill is not new. He's been doing this over 30 years, so probably longer than some of our clients have been alive, honestly. We are strictly dedicated to personal injury law and fighting for the justice and the recovery of our clients. I've had some clients pick up a settlement check on a Tuesday, and by Friday they're coming back because I just had another accident. And they loved us so much that they came back.
If your case doesn't settle in the claims process, I file the lawsuit. If it takes a long time to get through, the court system, but that doesn't mean that we can't settle, even if we file suit. It just means that we're not going to waste any more time with the adjusters and the insurance company. I have been working for Bill for 12 years, so I feel like he trusts me. But everybody respects everybody. Everybody gets along pretty well. We all have same common goals to make our clients happy, and so I feel like we work pretty well as a team.
So as an associate attorney here, I work a lot with client communications. I work a lot with the litigation team. The litigation process is when the attorneys here and the litigation team prepare the lawsuit and work the case up in and out of court. This legal process is unfamiliar for most people, so really the paralegals are a very good tool for the client to use to make sure they understand exactly what's going on. Bill Holland is great. We all love Bill here. He's a great leader, and he makes sure that we all know exactly what we're doing here and that we all stay positive and stay on task.
Holland Injury Law, tested, trusted, tenacious.
Give us a call. We're here to help, and we do the best that we can for our clients.
Happy holidays from Holland Injury Law. As a reminder, please drive safely, get home to your families safely.
You heard Mr. Holland. Make sure you're getting home and driving safely this holiday season. If you or someone you know has been involved in a serious accident, don't hesitate to give Holland Injury Law a phone call at 314-888-7888, or you can head online to his website at stlinjurylawyer.com. Don't go anywhere, St. Louis. We'll be right back after this quick break.